Hello guys, I'm here with a friend of mine and we're attempting to apply a ceramic paint to pistons, obviously which makes them more resistant to higher temperatures. So that's what we're attempting to do here. Obviously there's been some prep work. Let's just see if I can, I'll just do this. Yeah, there's been some prep work, lots of prep work, but it's okay because I didn't have to do it. Anyway, so that's the plan, and then obviously we are going to paint these, and yeah, the thing is that obviously it raises the temperature that the piston can handle, because obviously it's ceramic. So ceramic obviously is a good thermal insulator. So yeah, sorry about being so close, you probably could smell my breath. Anyway, the point is that that's what we're going to be doing, and yeah, I'm going to film the process and I'll take it as it goes. Your YouTube face. Okay. We mask for it. Well, we can get that Gen X superimposed freaking mask, and then wait for it. Look, he's not a bad looking guy. Come on, really. I don't think we can do that on YouTube. They might object. Yeah, absolutely. And then all our Afrikaans viewers are going, and I spy die doosnag. Because believe it or not, I do have some Afrikaans viewers, well, South African viewers. Yeah. And yeah, not very many. So now, what do you reckon the temperature will be that the ceramic paint can handle, did you say?
1,800 degrees Fahrenheit.
So what's that in degrees centigrade?
About 800, 900 centigrade.
Yeah, sorry, I'm in the way. Gotta love the smell of spray painting in the morning. Really? Oh shit. Well, so does smoking, so I'm pretty much I'm screwed. Although there was a song about this, that you spraying here and me breathing in the fumes. I get high with a little help from my friends. Anyway, there will be no getting high on this YouTube channel. It's not allowed. Although if you must, you should do it with style. Okay. What I'm going to be doing later, guys, I'm going to be showing you one of Fritz's other vehicles, which actually is I opened the engine compartment and looked at this and I thought, well, that looks so lovely. In fact, you could probably eat off it. So, yeah. The only problem with the V8, Fritz, you got a freaking lot of valves.
Yeah, but it's only still 2 valves to put in it.
I suppose you should be grateful for that.
Yeah.
Okay, now you were saying to me earlier about you were going to spray something on the skirts, but you hadn't got the paint yet or something like that?
Dry foam lubricant.
Okay.
Also from Cerakote.
Okay. I'll be contacting them, because obviously if you're using their product, I'll be contacting them to see if they'll sponsor the video. No, I won't. Not with a subscriber count of sub 100. No, they're not going to be interested. Okay, we're going to stop it there, and we'll be back in a second after a word from our sponsor. Yeah, Black Label. No, I can't drink Black Label anymore. But anyway, the sponsor is there. We still have to pay for it. Very sad. Well, let's be honest, guys. This YouTubing thing suits me down to the ground because I watch other people work. Work is fascinating. I can stand and watch somebody else do it for hours. Yeah. So let me guess, Fritz, the only reason you buy newspaper is to actually wrap things with.
Yeah.
Yeah. The only reason I buy newspaper is to wash windows. So, yeah. Gone are the days of buying newspapers to actually read them. Yeah, Fritz ran out of bullets, so he's now putting some more bullets in. And here in South Africa, we like our bullets. How much did you say that little container of paint was?
Well, this one is $35. The bigger one is $80, and if you work it out to rands, about 2,000 rands is the big one. So this about 1,000 rand, $1,000.
That's what happened to the good old days where 1 rand was worth $1 US?
Yeah.
We'll never get that back.
No.
But we try not to talk politics. Or religion.
We talk politics, we use the hammer, not the spray paint.
Well, the point that my dad had a point that he used to make. He says, in South Africa, there's a couple of things you don't talk. You don't talk politics, you don't talk religion, and you don't talk rugby. Because any one of those three can get you really fucked up. Okay, so this is what obviously Fritz is busy building up. You say it's an H1, ne?
Yeah,
Hummer H1 engine. 6.5 litre, you say? Okay. And what turbo are you going to put on this? Is it that one?
GM6 turbo, Borg Warner, yeah.
Borg Warner GM6.
Comes out.
Okay.
I haven't got the money for the whole set.
Not yet. We're playing the lotto.
I've got 2 of those turbos, so I might paint one.
Yeah.
ceramic coating and sell it and use the money to buy the whole set.
Okay.
So that is one plan that I've got.
Yeah. This thing's gonna be a beast. Right, I suppose I should actually show you what he's planning on putting it in. And this is what he's planning on putting it into. He's planning on putting it into this. Now this is a, what do they call this thing? A Chevy? A Chevy forward control. It's an ex-military vehicle. But this is not the first one he's done. This will be the second one, as far as I'm aware, that he's done. There's one over there. We will actually I'll link it in the video description. That one over there. We're going to go and do an in-depth poke and prod, and no, I won't. You won't let me drive it, I'm sure. Not that I want to drive it. I don't like driving things that I can't touch the roof of. Anyway, all right. So off we go. You don't need to worry, Fritz. I'm not going to shout cut at some point. Or I missed it, you need to do it again. Now what we'll do, Fritz, is I'll see if I can maybe edit this so this happens at high speed, and then you're really going to look good because you're going to be spraying it at like 400 times normal speed. Now this just proves a point, something that V8 enthusiasts have known for years. Two heads are better than one. Although to be fair, Fritz, this is not my favorite type of head. But we won't go there, that'll be for a different channel. You can actually see the flakes, even with the camera, eh?
Yeah. So that's a syrup coat, piston coat.
This is quite scary, eh? Technology is wonderful. Well, technology is wonderful when it works. guys, here's the end product. Look at that. Look how nice that came out. And Fritz says he's not a spray painter. Could have fooled my dumb English ears. And now he's unwrapping his Christmas presents. Look at that. Well, you know what?
I'll still do the skirts with the dry form lubricant. That's still sandblasted.
Yeah. Well, when's that coming?
Oh, they said this week.
Okay.
Yeah, let's hope.
We hope so. We hope so. And you say that's like almost like the white coating on bearings.
The white metal.
White metal
this
coating.
Is also black. I think it's also black coating.
Okay. Alright. Still can't get it how well this came out. Seriously. Huh. Go figure. Now the point is Fritz at the end of the day can turn around and say he achieved something. And I'm going to look back on today and go, well, I made a YouTube video.
Yeah.
That's not really the same sort of category, is it? No, it's not.
The YouTube video can make us some money.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Lots of money.
Alrighty. And if you look, while I was away, he did spray painting of some other things here. Although this you said does 300 degrees.
300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
It's not as high as the other one.
Yeah. Although you've got them all over the bloody place. I can see I'm going to walk around here. If I'm not careful, I'm going to end up in red paint.
I think that should be...
They should be more or less dry. Unless I start licking them, in which case, well, I'm not going to do that.
Well, they look good enough to lick.
If you were working with the heads, I'd say that's a bit of a problem, but this is not a head, so it's okay. No, seriously, this has actually come out really, really nicely, bro. Seriously. Okay. And there we go. Congratulations, guys. You got to the end of that video. I know it was a little bit longer than I expected it to be. Although I've learned a lot in terms of editing, and yeah, how to speed things up and slow things down, and I even managed to film some of it. I even managed to film some of it upside down. I don't know. I'm getting in touch with my inner Australian. Anyway, guys, if you managed to get to this point, two things. Shout out to Fritz. Thank you for letting me come and film you. That was pretty cool. I actually enjoyed. Surprisingly enough, I enjoyed making the video, and I enjoyed editing it. Go figure. Although I've got a long way to go. So, guys, bear with me. I'm getting better at it. If you want me to continue getting better, which I do, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in part 2 of this, because obviously we're going to try and film him putting it together and. Guys, have an excellent day further. Be excellent to each other. And if I've offended you, that's just the Gen X surfacing. Cheers, guys.